आपने हिंदी में सवाल पूछा तो मैं हिंदी में जवाब देता हूँ। ये पहली बार नहीं है जब शाहिद भाई और मैं मिल रहे हैं। मुझे याद है मैं बैक इन द डे FTI में पढ़ता था जब, तो मैं नया नया मेरा एडमिशन हुआ था और मेरी रैगिंग चल रही थी, हेल्दी रैगिंग। और सर वहाँ पे कमीने शूट करने आए थे इनकी फिल्म, और मेरी पूरी रैगिंग इन्होंने पीछे खड़े होकर देखी। तो मुझे जब मैं इनसे पहली बार मिला तो मैंने बोला कि भाई वी मेट बिफोर। तो इन्होंने पहले मुझे ऐसे बोला कॉल ब्रो ऑफ कोर्स। तो मैंने बोला आपको लेकिन याद नहीं होगा। मैं बोला नहीं नहीं मुझे याद है। मैंने कहा अच्छा कहाँ बेटे? तो बोला कि मैंने बोला कि आपने मेरी रैगिंग पूरी एनकाउंटर की थी और आपने पूरे मजे लिए थे इसके। And I still remember first day on the set, I requested him, literally I said कि भाई आप जो भी करेंगे, you are much more experienced than me, आपको मुझसे बहुत ज़्यादा पता है चीज़ों के बारे में, और अगर आपको कहीं पे लगता है कि मैं गलत हूँ, so don't hesitate to scold me, don't hesitate कुछ भी बोलने में, मैं बिल्कुल बुरा नहीं मानूंगा। और प्लीज़ मुझे आप अपने छोटे भाई की तरह समझिए, आप मुझे समझिए कि आप ईशान के साथ शूट कर रहे हैं। एग्जैक्टली मैंने ये वर्ड बोले थे शायद भाई को, एंड आई एम रियली रियली थैंकफुल ही ऑब्लाइज। और आज तक मुझे अभी भी याद है कि एक दिन तो इस नौबत पे आ गई थी जब मेरे गाल पे मेकअप ठीक नहीं हो रहा था, तो इन्होंने ब्रश हाथ से लेके खुद से मेकअप करना शुरू कर दिया। So he was so caring and so he always has watched out for me. And till date, if I feel that I'm a little clueless, मेरे को किसी चीज़ को लेके समझ में नहीं आ रहा, not just about the show, I think that I share that bond with him, that relationship with him, where I can, you know, just message him and I call him and कि भाई मैं यहाँ पे फंस गया हूँ, tell me मैं क्या करूँ, and he still answers and he still, you know, gives me the right guidance, which I feel I'm really really blessed to have an elder brother figure in Shahid bhai, and yeah.
Hi Vijay.
Thanks, Bhuvan. Thank you so
Hi
much.
Vijay.
There's a question for Vijay, sir.
Yes,
at this
yes,
point.
yes. Hi. Hi Vijay, this is Harshida here from Screen Graphia. Just want to know that I had seen all your films, solo, single-handedly, you had carried the films very well. On the box office, success also says the same. But when you go for a multi-star cast or maybe for a parallel lead, don't you feel insecure? What thought process do you have when you go for those kind of roles?
See, films I have acted, there are so many actors. That is also multi-stars only. So, you are comparing only the other stars and multi-stars. So, actors, I respect Anuj sir and I saw Bhuvan's work. So, he's also a very good actor. So, not only Shahid, so there are a lot of actors. And then I become and then art is a place where we are not here to compete with our co-actors. We are just collaborating and working. So it is not win-win situations. No, there is no. It's a sharing and learning, and that's how life should be. That's why I don't believe in winning a competition. I like a game. I don't want the game should be end in life. So it's like playing game is interesting. It's winning or losing. It will end the game. So that's how I believe. Then I was a hero in 2010, and then I was doing my film called Naduvula Konjam Pakkathukam Pizza. That time one of 96 director Prem was doing a film with the actor called Sasikumar sir. So they need a character for a villain. So I recommended a few of my friends who tried chances with me. They don't like them. And then I said, narrate a story to me. If I like it, I will come and do it. So that was my third film, and even the director asked me, really you want to do? You already did 3 films. So I didn't have insecurity that time also when I was entering the films. So I never had that insecurity with anybody, because I want to work with super, fantastic, very talented actors so that I can learn. So everything you can't learn and come. It's like life is like throwing an experience ball. You just throw and he will throw you. Then it's like sharing with also. So I love to work with the quad film, with multi-stars, and I did so many multi-stars films also. So I love working and I enjoy it. Thanks.
Thank you so much for your questions. You've been a wonderful audience at this point, of course. Thank you and wish you all the best from Parsi, 10th of February. It's going to be a party, guys. Congratulations. I'd like, of course, to request our friends from the press, one more opportunity for photographs. So could I please request my star cast to kindly step forward? Yes, we shall take the chairs away. Thank you. Yes. दादा मुझे 2 मिनट दीजिए, ये चेयर आपके लिए हम हटा रहे हैं। फर्जी एग्जिट था, फर्जी एग्जिट था. दोबारा से आपको शायद यही पूरे में लेना पड़ेगा.
शायद इस side-
more and more photos as we feel like. After lunch we'll do 2. No, yeah, this is amazing. Any more?